Greetings everyone. I'm Ismail Ukha.
And this is Nike.
We are software engineering students at Faculty of Sciences and Technologies, Tanger. Are you struggling with slow SQL queries? Look no further. We have the solution for you. BetterSQL, a full stack application designed to help you optimize your SQL queries using a lot of technologies such as machine learning technology.
You know that the principal problem we can face when executing the SQL queries is sometimes maybe more complex for somehow. That's why the execution can take a long time and too much memory space caused by subqueries, joins operations, and missing indexes. So to solve this problem, we make one step further.
We have used latest and greatest algorithms of machine learning to be more precise NLP, natural language processing, to process your queries based on your schema and your indexes and the execution plan. We have worked on the process of fine-tuning a large language model developed by Meta called LLaMA to help you to predict best optimized queries and give you some advice. What are you waiting for? Let us walk you through our solution.
So in this step, we will show you an overview about our project. In the first step, we need load and pre-processed datasets. This step read a CSV file containing SQL queries via query dataset, convert it to Hugging Face dataset and split it into training and testing sets using the train test split method. The second step, which is model quantization. Quantization is a technique to reduce the memory requirements and computational complexity of neural network. This step configures parameters for the bytes and bytes quantization library. The next one is load pre-trained model. The code loads the pre-trained LLaMA model using the auto model for causal LM with from pre-trained method and apply the quantization configuration defined in the previous step. The next step, which is tokenizer. The tokenizer is configured for the loaded model using the auto tokenizer via from pre-trained method. The trust remote code parameter is set to true to trust remote code during tokenization. The last one, which is the model inference. This step demonstrates how to use the fine-tuned model for generating optimized SQL queries. It uses simple prompts on the query, pass them through the model using the pipeline method, and print the generated text. Each step contributes to the overall process of loading, fine-tuning, and utilizing the LLaMA model for optimizing SQL queries. The outlined steps guide us through the entire workflow, from setting up the environment to using the trained model for inference.
Hello guys, this is our product BetterSQL, the product that's gonna help you to optimize your query with the power of AI. Now I will walk you through the demonstration of this project. First, you have to connect to your database. The credential of your database will not be stored in our database. We don't even have a database. It will be just stored in your local storage. So no worries. I will use my credentials, but I will change them later. These credentials are used just for demonstration purposes. You have to put three things: the username, the host, and the password. Let's start with the host, and I will put my username, and I will put the password here. Our application will make sure in the beginning that the connection is well established and credentials are true. If this process is successfully run, it will take you to the next page. Now you have this beautiful interface with a lot of functionalities. First, we have SQL syntax validation. You have the option to execute your query and do the visualization. You have also the option to see your execution plan, so you can compare between SQL queries and the best functionality. Optimize your query using AI. I will use a predefined SQL query that I have prepared for this presentation. Let's make a false syntax and see the validation functionality. We have a notification that says that our syntax is invalid. Now I will put just a valid syntax and see. Now our SQL query is valid, and we have the three other functionalities. We can execute our query. That will take a little time to execute the query in your database and do the visualization of your data here. We have also we can also execute our plan and see the execution plan. We have all the data about it, and we have how many steps in this plan, the cost of the CPU and other informations. And this is finally our result of our query. We have that table with pagination, so you can paginate between your data and see the result of your query. And we can also optimize this query. This is the most important feature we have. This will give you some advices with some query to with some SQL query some SQL code to run, so you can optimize the query. You can just copy paste this SQL and put it here and run it. Then you can compare between execution plans. This is based on AI, and we have also here basically we have three optimizations: indexing, query rewrite, using where, close. And at the last of this section we have an optimized version of your query. You can copy paste this query, put it here and compare between all your versions. So this is our product. Thank you for your time.